Looking for a compact yet powerful gaming PC in 2026? Mini PCs have come a long way, offering impressive performance for gaming, content creation, home offices, and everyday computing while taking up very little desk space. In today's video, we're counting down the top 5 best gaming mini PCs of 2026 based on performance, features, expandability, connectivity, and overall value. Check out the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Let's get started. Number 1. BOSGAME P4 Ultra Mini PC. Taking the top spot is the BOSGAME P4 Ultra Mini PC, powered by the AMD Ryzen 7730U processor with boost speeds up to 4.5 GHz. It comes equipped with 16 GB DDR4 RAM, a spacious 1 TB PCIe SSD, Wi-Fi 6E, Bluetooth 5.2, and dual 2.5G LAN ports. The system also supports triple 4K display output, making it suitable for gaming, multitasking, and productivity. The BOSGAME P4 Ultra delivers an excellent balance of performance and efficiency. The Ryzen 7 processor handles esports titles, cloud gaming, media editing, and daily computing with ease. Fast storage and modern connectivity options make it feel responsive and future-ready. Pros: powerful Ryzen 7 7730U processor, large 1 TB PCIe SSD, dual 2.5G LAN ports, Wi-Fi 6E and Bluetooth 5.2, triple 4K display support, compact and quiet operation. For overall performance, connectivity, and value, the BOSGAME P4 Ultra is one of the best gaming mini PCs available in 2026. Number 2. KAMRUI E3B Mini Gaming PC. Coming in at number 2 is the KAMRUI E3B Mini Gaming PC, featuring a Ryzen 7 processor, 32 GB RAM, and a 1 TB M.2 SSD. This mini PC is designed for users who need extra memory for multitasking, gaming, and productivity. It supports triple 4K displays, Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.2, and multiple connectivity options. The standout feature here is the generous 32 GB RAM configuration, which allows for smooth multitasking and content creation workloads. It performs exceptionally well for esports gaming, streaming, and office tasks. Pros: massive 32 GB RAM storage, large 1 TB SSD storage, triple 4K monitor support, fast wireless connectivity, and excellent multitasking performance. If multitasking and memory capacity are priorities, the KAMRUI E3B is an excellent choice. Number 3. GMKtec M5 Ultra Gaming PC. The GMKtec M5 Ultra features an AMD Ryzen 7 processor, 16 GB DDR4 RAM, 512 GB NVMe SSD, Wi-Fi 6E, dual 2.5 GB Ethernet LAN ports, USB-C connectivity, and support for 3 4K displays. GMKtec has built a reputation for producing reliable mini PCs, and the M5 Ultra continues that trend. Its fast networking options make it particularly attractive for online gaming, streaming, and home server applications. Pros: dual 2.5 GB Ethernet LAN ports, fast Wi-Fi 6E connectivity, triple 4K display support, compact design, and overall good performance. A strong option for gamers who value networking performance and reliable everyday computing. Number 4. GEEKOM IT12 Mini PC. At number 4 is the GEEKOM IT12, powered by Intel's Core i7-1280p processor. It includes 16 GB RAM, 1 TB SSD storage, Windows 11 Pro included, USB 4 connectivity, and support for up to 8K display output. The IT12 excels in productivity workloads and professional applications. Intel's powerful hybrid architecture delivers excellent multitasking performance, while USB 4 support offers fast data transfer speeds and expanded connectivity. Pros: powerful Intel Core i7-1280p processor, USB 4 support, 8K display compatibility, Windows 11 Pro included, premium build quality, and 3-year coverage. The GEEKOM IT12 is perfect for users who need workstation-level productivity in a compact form factor. Number 5. Trycoo Mini Gaming PC. Rounding out our list is the Trycoo Mini Gaming PC, featuring the Ryzen 5 5600H processor, 16GB DDR4 RAM, and a 512GB SSD. It supports triple 4K displays, Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.2, and multiple display outputs through HDMI, DisplayPort, and USB-C. The Ryzen 5 5600H remains a capable processor for gaming and daily use. Combined with fast memory and SSD storage, it delivers excellent performance for budget-conscious buyers. Pros: great value for money. Ryzen 5 5600H offers solid performance, triple 4K display support, modern wireless connectivity, and compact design. The Trycoo Mini Gaming PC is a fantastic budget-friendly option for casual gamers and everyday users. Those were our picks for the top 5 best gaming mini PCs of 2026. If you're looking for the best overall package, the BOSGAME P4 Ultra takes the top spot with its strong Ryzen 7 processor, fast storage, and excellent connectivity. For heavy multitasking, the KAMRUI E3B stands out with its massive 32GB RAM configuration, and the GEEKOM IT12 is ideal for professionals who need workstation-level productivity. Check the links in the description below for the latest prices and availability. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more tech reviews, buying guides, and top product recommendations. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.